106.9 Kasiebwe ehon foni any videos ahodo nam so am ubenya bi ahwe emre sem ye bejo adwenkyere no akenkanya na eye Facebook no so at DLFM 106.9 enumre yi ensem titira ebedi kasebro makotini bi ene say ide ne bekire mu owo wa west manten nkra beto gyakire mi say ukopiem okro ba ko a eno wa west am edin adaswom tese ne anya simukuma egidi no eye Matthew no mu kire mi say ensu bra na ya tonte no tese kwani mu achemi no mu nsam so nyina na asem addition potem ho no no wono mu ntumi nkọ na wono aba ento mu hia aban emoa
Weja dam no ayire no nam so amatememfo mu won potem ho enhu ba bi o mo form ne ma emfa
ye begina mu ewo nkran popurema ntemu akwakopie mu gbekyere ne potem a na na matre nkonwa ene mpirefom ka biewom ewo gbekyere ekire mi say wono mu nsu wate yakọ ekwa afi ntem ni entiakopo ya adom ekyenada wono mu ye kyere ada wo mu ye odi edi akire Ghana Water Company
Saint Paul Technical Institute for Edi Adesrede Edi ato abayanim so mbeboa we san so mu hia ne ma mu di bedi omujuma
na meka say endrada ye nuanom mosremfo wono ma fasha gase etodwanom na manso tontokrom mosrem utility odi adesra to mebuna nim say atene yade ha adwente be ya satene omudi mpanifo no wonom enjai ensem no pina na kan yese wonkonwa ede be so mo say enumre no nsia kase wo dielo ha ne nsia ekiripo enkron kasa fidie so na yeka mo say twede ampango ya adoma mimi na be UEFA Champions League match no grand finale ebetodwam ene Arsenal for ene PSG itembe de pam na DLFM kofale ba ye the live commentary be free eye hayaki afrofusion and one most talent what dia bro ntemesraw be kan yankopon ya adoma mimi na be ebesi 30th May 2026 emre no so ba peni atena sa dwumedie no ehye sensu ntemesraw wada enyi hu fanfiri mu wo ba na wahye wo Arsenal jersey anase PSG jersey kama na bibia tumi akonkanti amam na yeka wo say yeka say hayaki afrofusion restaurant na dwumade ne doso pa de dikan wobetumi abedi ya say honom wobetumi so abeje ede akofie eno wachinsu boat na afi nso eye ne homa keke ka delivery na ye bim we ye no to nchen so a bia opeduane pi na de asoma hoho bia party weddings meetings ahodo bia event dwumade bia no yebetuma yaduane kama ede amade asoma hoho eno achinsu no bia busua mo penkwan kakra de di eje twamanu fie mo pe bia still bi na mo pa yebetuma nyina kama de amama mo so betuma de dwumadwuma hodo a mo diem yesra mo adabo mo de be kan yakopon ya atoma kwesia mimi na pe no DLFM NF so hayaki afrofusion restaurant yefa life committee dwumade no efamesom na dwumade we no Pearl Rock Pharmacy NF so Ayaspa and Saloon Home Rack NF so Wine Rack Nabel's Boutique NF so Luxury Drive Rental Service and a Grey Court Apartment so dwumade so we no asia mesra onyu hu fanfiri mu kram Frem Penifam atufo na jimu enchiremam 0303 981 245 0303 981 245 and 0257 844
Open sukrojin edi adi ujuma na ne abusafo nso anu bisa ne be ye bebo adwuma ye ewo mu ni padua ni mu dia na mekanfo Lumba super edi amount na Lumba super no so open ne dodo etu abetimi afrem penifo 0549889685 and 0549436616
na yeka mo say yankopon ya adoma dwumbo so me no ne da etoso enum pepepe me kire dwum 5 nkrambe ye de ne nyina ne se ebo awiadu mienu a pepepe yekwa kwahie mu awashama na market honom ye first group band kese yadi ho sekire me na wo manyim ne nyina ne se dance of your street yekwa kwagie ni pa kwhwia fam washama adwane mu temesra onyi hu famfiri mu kwankopon ya adoma on the 5th June 2026 ewo mra ebo awia 12 pm pepepe ne nyina kwa kwahie mu ne nyina ne se kwa kwagie ni comment temesra wo dwumade asuku we na enyi hu famfiri mu kra na mesra wo say ye kase first group band na ye dwumade pi wo man Ghana mu ene se ye wedding ena wudi abapesa beponyum wase de ma ho ye ba ji wani pa no anso ye bi na pa ye betuma ne kama birthday parties ahoto nyina graduation po na wo ye insore dwumade a mu behia chese ne live band no mesrew bomodiafo ani kire me first group band ne ye mesom sompa ya nwomtofo no in fact omo ne ye de betuma to nwoma akopembra wangaza bekasa yes muntwasom eno achi instrumentals ne bo adwuma kama mesrew wedie wo per quality bands pa live band de dwumadi a mesrew ne nyina ye first group band mesrew bomodiafo to nsafre ne mesom sompa na ne nyina ne say Idwumade we in fact kama no pe kira kwanya ye Watema community 22 ya wo ba soro so hwa na yebutu frame penifo ma true face and wo mo eni nkomo 0242 965 391 0242 965 391 and 0541 194 741 0541 149 741 0541 149 741 Philip Group ban papa pani we djuma kwa sense yentena se na yamfa enmenu nsia kase bo no emesomom dia mejo so yo wofa ose ade yo de one at Nyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi ma hotedin ene bantwere bo na otafri jamene mo wofa se ba
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa
ye da ya ho ye pa ye de kase bo no ekire bankasa ebesom na sa na no me wofa se rose gold we se di ye kase bo no eye de ba dia
adia enye obi adia rose gold ne tie di on kase bo eye se kutu eye se bebam
DL News.
Yamamo akwaba yansha kese bona se ne yemfa mfiri eye wa west mensenem ewatifede mantem na nkra abato de kase bopunu se chirim se wanam nsam so a eye bridge adihye fa so no chese insubrani ato emensam so na buagum ama adihye a wanum wa west ene mpatem no chese obi nko no obi apa ekone bede won sensem no akoye kana aya humti ye padi ama nkura hodo abambe mpatem ntitiru ene school for mofra ene afi so akwantufo na mahye dwane edema wa west no mnyamfo Peter lanchire tobu echirim se oha wei akofa engineer supi dia bampotem ho no manyase mkuma kura ama sesei nsam so a ewompotem ho no mo no etia tom ma ho kira ba no enyasam wa kura wo kire ma sesei no wo hwe ha we na dia ba na chese nkronkro pe ompotem ho no mo nyina ho aka chese kwantufo school for mofra entimi nko no wo maba eno achi nso no ekuafo nkanka mo komumfuo so koye adwumaden no nyase mkuma chese obi antumi nkomo ma kompa ahase ekosom wa west mensini mo no akwakwaya asembia ne kano akana pam mamekese amanfo na setenem ayeden na nka ne kirem se eye kro ba kwa no wa west din da so no eye metiu na sa metiu kro dia no chese nsamso ni mo ache mienu ache so ba Facebook no so a eye DLFM 106.9 ya no ya den ye pam na mekese mahye badwani adema de hia wanum wa west woni menyamfo Peter lanchene tobu akirem se wanum gusom ka biewom eba adwumaden ahwe se begyam ensamso ne boatoma eye kro no mi kwantempo no mache mienu no wombetimi apausbe na boase be yade hye no ekwane bade won sense betumi akonkan de ma wono mo kirem a mekese de ho kire na benti won besra be wombrem na somdwe mapa etumi mana school fo nko school ekwantufo nko na eye ye nuanam ahodo nso mo mode akonwura mu so etumi kwafum ekofa de ne mefe nte sade ye konbe kun wo mo no and by the ye party ma de hye one ewa west eye mentioning
natural disasters are things that can never be predicted, and very particularly with the recent global temperature changes. I think that the rainfall patterns are becoming very disturbing. What happened in Metro? The bridge has been washed away, the road has been washed away, and the community is cut off. And I think that the new NATMO director, Honorable Nicholas Jirka, and the district chief executive, Honorable Richard Wu, together with other relevant stakeholders, rushed the scene in consultation with me, and the briefing I got in the evening was that there's going to be a temporary measure with immediate effect. We are mobilizing the drip machines to support the community that will gather some rocks and boulders around so that we can compact the road and make it usable for now until the dry season. That probably will look at a lasting solution. It is a spillway that has broken its way because it is narrowed. It was constructed somewhere in 2015, served the community for over 10 years, and it is only fair that if it breaks down, we should think about making it better the next time around. But for now, we are thinking of an urgent response to the situation to save children who have to go to school, to save farmers who have to go to the market, and to make the road at least passable. And
any I would tea or no name I should be joining the Madishia. One ewa ways, ewa tifid mantem. Nidido iminyam for Peter, Lancheni to book and amate nini.
Yentua kasiebo ne so ne yedasoa ejina nsuyire ho nsensema na reja dam no ayiri eno nam so ama dan apempem eno ewo weja won kranpupni mantem hanom chese yetimemfo mo honom ewo so mutimi efiri omo dan nim na omokope baabi pa etimi ehye esanse dan nim nini na ayiri ewo mpotem honom ha adwinye papa na nsuyi ebaye ewo abra Ghana Water Limited for the betudwa echemu se ewo so mutimi ehye ni bi etimi gwesanse dam no ayema I no to level na edunu so ma momadian yi bi MP na chese ye save operating limit no na omatimi adu no so e de how e de bebre wom na ye statement omode betu dwa endrada ye kotoni ma bosome ne de to so aduonu nso e won fimpi mienu ne aduonu nsia yi mu ana ye utility company de betu dwa na ochemu se dam ne level no abedu eye 48 feet e no ntina hu behia so mbetimi abie gate ne se ne be ye nsuo ni bi ebetimi akọ no mu chiema ya dia control spillage no eno eka ho bi se ne be yanka betimi abo hihya ahodo mo de atudwa no na nka bibia timi akoso ye ewa branch tuton so no eto ewo mayima baabi abefa bia na enu so ayidi nti so man bie gate na eno de how ebebretimem fom won potem ho na ene sa omukọ bie ya chese dam yi etimi ayiri atimem fom po enya baabi omode omunan edibesi na ye emergency response omuhia bi ewo honom se ne be yampanifon so betimi abo na timemfo no ombepa ye baabi pa ede ama wom na yamra hyebedwani ede mawe jagbare eyononyamfo Jerry Ameshab ene eyensemchofo atwetwe nkomo ana ochemu se nya ade omunsa ka notice bia de omuhu ya ne se dam no matimi abia no so ade o house etimi abanto mo sra ban so betimi asoma ye rescue team se ne be yo mo so no betimi abotememfo mo wo weja.
So no, so well, obviously, so there is the cumulative effect. Is a cumulative effect of insona at all because it was be into the dam, and the dam no overflow, no has caused this. Into a oba wager, will be from away ash bread, call you aboman ketebu. As I speak with you, I mean the major thing you see here is that. Kia tracks no be and uncle for moving to other places are to me. Those who are able to even retrieve something. My assistant say almost they have not been able to retrieve anything. In fact, what she was able to retrieve is only a passport because on the any prior notice. It's a very terrible situation. I will say many videos I met well normally they give notice and information. And these days we've been engaging them, in fact. So what they do say normally but people are drowning and that's why you hear. But to say they didn't do that because they themselves couldn't control their and see I'm not in a position to hold them responsible. So just leaving the dam. The dam now is overfilled. It's gone virtually at the brim. And see you can't do anything. And this is only two. And I'm sure and as I speak with you, like I indicated, no more than 1,000 homes have been submerged. Government and all well-meaning people to come to our aid.
Eni ya uti ye eyamra hyebedwani ede mawe jagbare eyononyamfo Jerry Ameshab.
Yantoa kasebo no so ye nyina mu ewo nkran. Popure mantem yenkopie mu ewo kwan mensenim ene ekuro du daso eye gbechire na de hye won potem honom echire mu sei. Ye kan nsuo ho asɛmpa de a na ye sensukom ede ade hye wo man Ghana mu de a na de hye agwano gbogbotire de omo hawo no eso se ne wo man na meka sɛ wonom nkoso hene na na kwabena echampon ana afi nso ade hye mo ka biewom wo gbotire aka bom echire mu sei ensukom ade wonom pore baya bosom ne beye enson ekwa nwotwentem ni kyese ne November busum no mu afi atwa bepem samre enya ade ade hye wo gbotire wonom anya nsupanom nti kyese de o makasa bre umabokoko yankopon ya adoma wono ba be hwe ase ya ye kire e de atia aso hwe o manga na yensuosuo me kire Ghana Water Company Limited and na finzo perform ka biom na boa se yo meti omuso frɛ na nsu kom eku wono mo no empinifo etie wono mu se frem na wono mu kyem yankopon ya adoma e kina da e ye fiada kotonu ma boso me nda taso de no nkron e won fimpim mienu na de onu nsia de gwetire kuroduanum e na ya chenchenche be ko so no enya se mekuma kura na empinifo kyerem se wono mo nsa kakrata anya kwanya e de afri asahwe o manga na ho bambon samso mekira Ghana Post Service na afis wo mka biewom matese ne hye pa bibia do kam kama nyankopon ya do mekira o ya kire no eba so na mra ndo ada na ye wuku ada one mo friends and trefo nhye mo gwachire krobianim na echampo nkoso ahene echire mu sei oha wo ya che nanso wo ma kasa nya de ampenifo tie omu so frɛ o kire ma sabi ensuo ye nkwa we nya manyosem entemu ntumi ntenase ma de hye wo gwachire krobianim no ensukom enku wonom wo mu kire wankasa wo moden apeja sasetam buburijam edi ama Ghana Water Campaign Limited penifo se monye asasere mu nsim atena ye wo so na mo ma ye nsuo nom ena po ajesen ye o ma modem mo asase kama ena enkronkura wo pagye ne mpatamu nye nsuo no mo ma Ghana miamia pii wo mu nye nsuo nom da biada enti aba ne se nenne wo ma ba de ama asase edi ama Ghana Waterfo na mu chenso mu nya bi nenne ade hye mpotem ntenche de mu nya nsuo nom wo mu kire mu sei yemfa nto manim sukwam de ya ne sente mu ntumi ntena se enye di fo mo se fa hye mo dem no fam ema school fo huna manne wo mu ntumi ntonso mfa nya aduane ahokyera ba pure water ene bottle water pen ade hye mo gbotire no wano de ye aduane de bi dwade e de bi bom motom da sen pada nti o ma se yankopɔ ya adoma o ye kye ne basom nti mo mo yankopɔ ya adoma mo ma kye ya chinchini gbotire potem ho nyina kɔ Ghana Water Campaign Limited penifo akache sebe ya mpenifo betie na agya o matem musu frem na champion kɔso ne nsem sei eto di ye kase bo enim
yishemu ha na ye ha kakra within the Nana Kwabena champion a development chief both in Bejele here and in Oti region at to be precise na anopai the my prayer mo say you water crisis since December na January you who say really the water is not coming and up to date we've been pushing for water and nothing seems to happen. In the beginning we were buying the 5 gallon at 100 Ghana cedi and as the trouble is climbing up now we are buying it at 150. We are written petition to Ghana Water and all the relevant agencies to come to our aid. We've been to the police, we've been to everywhere, and now we are decided that come hot me Friday we are going on the street to make our case known to the whole country, hand in hand with DLFM. Ghana Water, and we even call their services into the community. So as it is, it must be so for us. They must not stop the water must flow 24/7 so that everybody here will be at peace.
Ene de akire din enkoso hene edema de hia wonom ewo gbotire ene ne potem Nana Kwabena champon ene wo kirem Yankopɔn ya dom akina da oye chechirenche etodwo gbotire enti mu nyina monkam wom anopatututu na mu nyina mahiem wo ba no abokru jan ko placard ni kura nsem na mu ye kire e de atini gbotire e montene som ene wachi ana openipo no ene ye lead convener e de magbotire krodua no oye chomba be ye ne din ade Mr. Eugene Sai Johnson e kire mu sei ade chombo gbotire ne mpatem watena krodua no be ye mfinhia be ye nwatwentem ni solid years nanso sa oha we omuhunu bi da enti aba ne se na fi we de Ghana Water Campaign Limited no mudi no nwonwonwo sa e de adia ena Ghana de hia wonom tonton nuane eye nuane ton ne nwuma pi na egbogbotire krodua nim enam sukuma ekum won mo kire ma edu ano papa na school for mofra eko school awre ho kire se kwatente on betwa ansema kwakobu nso na no wedene o kire ma mpemprempo Ghana Military Service ena afi nso odumija adwuma eko na wode water nso gu tank mbe chinchini nso na aba ne mpomu ne mba bi efiri se ya papa sa nya papa mpomu nim nti aba ne sanso na mapom den sensem ede san mu nti on besere mpanimfo oha we de so se na wonom na oya kire ne de on beye efiri so mabomade akwaje ho krata permit nyina bibia da kwan mu kama bibia so mo kwa o kire ma se de nsu aba ho no mu nim ne source nti no ebetuma akofanya de pedia baby bona da twoma pom den kwakote esanim na e kire m se on besere da o mambo kire mpanifo nyina obi afa ne ho bebom no mu nyanya oya kire ene o ma ye de di emfa nto o man Ghana Water Campaign Limited anim say adehye mo bo kire sabe Peter nso onyimpa ne ba o ma bra dodo o mu ntumi ntenanse ene abosome para enso kwa watwentem na munya nsuo nom ne sente akina go pan ma ya chechecheche na ba so on be yo ya kire na mu nya da kopim be menya nsuo andom ente se o ya kire no on be kɔ so aye ne dane dan nyina kopim se nsuo no wo mi se be ka bie
om say baby aye du no em say ya pem so be kind nsuo no emma in the last 6 to 7 months so me kaya nsuo ma kwala ito DLFM and probably huna na pai kwala kita buckets na dey almost 13 so around there are so many schools around how am I me ba ha 2018 be me fan say 8 years no nso abasa a few times e do about 2 days na ma na dey but suddenly 2025 November, December, you say no makra. February, Bakaka be 1 day. Say no more can 1 day because me to say on some demonstration on support on promises on mercy. So no, just after that, some part abanaju anaju kana my wife catch him so no bana me I'm so okay. You bun so kaka. After that, emerging. Kusine, me who so be pipe. It is a serious matter. Very soon, if we are not careful, we start having outbreak of cholera and other things, and that even damage the situation. It is important that government comes in seriously, because it's not that there's any technical problem, it's just they are diverting the water. I suspect seriously that the water is being diverted, whether rain or shine. Even if it rains, we can pass through the rain. We are going to do a demonstration, and we have all received the permits from the police and everything. We inform them, so all arrangements are in place. Friday we'll go on demonstration, and to be a massive one.
And you be a massive pa. Any out here Mr. Eugene Sai Johnson or no, and a lead convener at the Madishia. One ekwakwa ye chengo po ya adome chenada e ogbechiri kruduan ene ne patem na no wachi na Miss Evergreen owisia ona ye manager edema afa hotel e ogbechiri enso ekasa ye etiri say sesi ameke say wo hotel no ene adwade ensensem enkonka neum nanso bosum bia du a abamba je to nso mutu anya semkuma na mo kire mi say sesi anam se nso manti ene ade hye betonton so mpotem ho no mo no anya hwe kura ndafo be ye num within 5 days no omutumi tonso be de say 1000 Ghana cedis kesikam 10 million na watwe be say proper enu na watwe mpo 5 days na fo num tem na matonso 1000 na ba ne sanso a che say adwuma na ye den o kirema ade hye be da ho no mpo no edum pempenso a enam say omo hya wane nya adwuma nti omo de bucket ne dwade bi ba wo se me de mpa bucket na wasako na ka na eba adwuma yefo akete na ye basa ba ne say na adwuma no egum o kirema ma ebedudu na mpo titiri mofra na afimpo ma bosum bedu na obabu ne nsa na sabe okwakwadwade nsuo ni honom aja okoto bottle water dodo se na abeto ansa na wode ahye bucket manse wadwa na oba hu afi ahokyera ba adehye ye nnuane adwuma nyina egunto ombesra ban na afi so Ghana Water Company Limited omuhiamwa o kirema edu ba bi mpo wo mu nsonso hu sensem water bay no bosum biado na ba nanso mu nya nso mpo no matumi de dum dwuma omukobisa Ghana Water Company Limited aso wo gwetire mpotem mu kirem sei omukura mpo nya nso ni bi nom omunya nso mfanya dwuma omukura do manya bi ne sante o kirem sei o hawo nsa de yekono empenifu anso ano de bedu babi nyuma mpo gwetire nyina no ne nyina da ebetimi egu o wokuro ni
so submit enye kwa last year November in Siomba strangely enough every month omo de bilba. The last time Omobaha was January. Omo de bill by, in fact, that day man spell because I had to be very hard on them. Say, issue number, into bill now, what they bano. It is like, what did they neighbor? Because issue no cry now, bill me for it, no. You're not giving it to me. It is issue number now, what they bill eba. How then do you expect me to take? And they could not say anything good to me. Say, oh, they are working on it, and they left. My home you. I had to call the Ghana Water branch work Bichliha manager. I asked him about it. Okashane say, Omumpo Omunusio. His exact words were, even Ghana Water doesn't have water. You can't afford not to bath. You know it. I wish I could go into the details of it, but to spare us all the thank you very much. Obeto Sashay, now what is piano, Eddie Gary, because you can't afford not to bath for hygiene purposes.
Ano adi no kire say we your bampo na obu nse ogbotire mpotem ho no musese na enya de abaye nsu adwade o interdit okoto pure water anasa bottle water obetwa ane ane se 100 series o 200 na abetwa wachete agu bucket nim na menim se woto 200 kura beso because bucket ni kase ne bottle water yi sen ya na abetwa ebeye ma betumi de adwa na oba hu afiem a school for mofra ehon nsem su pi na engineer wote ye ne den ade ahofadua Evergreen owusi ono na ye manager edema afa hotel wo gbotire na wahosem ene yede asomwen na eno achi na openipon so ka bie wom wo gbotire krodua num eya Mr 7 nate kweku ekirem sei sese yi de empenifo mo na de da eye kwon ena afi gbotire mensi na no ne ma bi yakoso na enye wo o kire ma mo adwa atwere nkrata akoma mo abanam sini ena afi so ma se betwani ba pim samre alata mamman ommo ho wa mpoje se omunya lo pride bia ntidi ade na ekoso emu kyem Yankopon yadom ekina oye kyena bekoso nto mo sere obi ameka ommo de ankoya oye kyere fisa de ekoso na no wadene omu ntimi ntira kroduanum entopia water emfa nya duane fa bi mfa nwade na bi sabe enkofa bucket enkwasi wanum asia no mfa nso nwade masabe kobrane nkwaya de da nti oye kyena ya kyere no bibia ye krado mba oye kyere do mo ye de da kyere mperi fo sabe ye beboa na mo sunsu a kyene kakra nkra Ghana mo so enya bi anom e wo gbokyere nim potem
ye pese ye tu sa na moyi demonstration ye kire aban esan say kamia say bibi edu mi say ya bre ya pem no kura wo no ya pem I mean ya ye ne nipa wo say nipa ye bia we appeal to the conscience of human being ye ni nipa kasa say na be ya nipa beti ase say water is life issue ye nkwa say woni issue a bibi ni obe ya be yi nyankopon bo asase kwa ni ehu say so wa fa issue anka nipa ho a nipa asase atata nipa intimate na anytime nyankopon kasa ma ye issue no for a fellow human being to deprive us say nipa ye nyanko nipa da sani anasa aban ejuma yefo ebe deprive ye say ye ma ye nye issue no it's unheard of enya ade a ye betimi atena ho ne yaka ya na atum ache nti say ye pese ye fe ye sin ye kira aban say ni edu no ya bre na omuntu ho anamon because you are planning series of demonstration ebe ye na say enya result bi a until ombema ye issue no ye nji ya home Sani a person about it. We are MP. No, let me be very blunt. The least said about him, the better. Joti, so the least said about him, the better. Because as an MP, expectation can no more be dear me no to an amount. Near to me this idea Juma. So did you do a chini and him the INA? But you should make also my. It's not say I'm not baby. Your troll letter come on no MP no. In fact. Yeah, here for our community here na they are away. Almost to one among. Yeah, the assemblyman. Yeah, ni meeting. Almost to one. Ghana water. Yeah, your letters are come on. Letters of come on. And we are not getting any result. Until our last result, and they say, yeah, but say yeah, 2 and money demonstration.
DLFM 106.9.
Any I would see anything at the Mr. Steven na te kweku. Ononso wakama muka biyagum ewa bochira kutuyanum. Ena watini ni na enam sanse nsem we ntino ene anopay ene da so mu bia morning show so DLFM 106.9 Mr. Prince Charles Kwabena Wopin adoboro man se DJ Hitman ti atwam ene ne ofre public relations and African communications manager at the Ghana Water Company Limited Mr. Stanley Mate ene wo kire me say nsem we do match da momodem gu ho a mutu ho na mokram Mr. Mate kire me say wohwe main pipeline e free pon edukopim gwetire kodua ni mu am enipa bi do mo nsaka obi makotue pipe no mamode ado mo pipe atuatua no ede petepete wono mo mfuo so mo de yekua entemu mu bia mo pipe no mpo a na nsuo na awinagu ententumi nkwa gwetire kodu ma de hye mo honom entimi nya bi mfandom dwumo kirem say pipelines ne so wanyini o mayen kokura ne menwa ebi wono ma buru finhye be ya do 60 years enti ebi mo papa enti no amaje senso hu sensem na ye den nya wo mania nya wo no mo pe na aba ne sa omugu so ya dwumaden ahwe se be ya ha we aba no wo mbetimi aso no de nsem sei eto de ye kase abo anim
minian mo mote bechele yenso taf omuso mote sa hon na no ke kan nti yenyina ye nwanom bisofo na no so mote hon se yenyina ye ni se there's a challenge kaka our system research that su kaka na eba no say yitini echena su biaso. So formally, before about 2-3 months ago, most areas were getting water like 4-5 days in a week. Literally, for instance, some of them almost 24/7. So Baba is saying, so no, you check Kakana, Ubia, so now most areas are getting like 2 or 3 days in a week. And we've had serious complaints from literally. So some areas are not getting at all. Some areas are getting, but at low pressure. Some areas are also getting by reduced number of days. And also say not complaints now that there's a lot of work being done and we've identified the challenges within the Botolo area. So we are working seriously at that.
Okay. So
we confess the last week and the last 2 weeks in a pumping so area. Now the main challenge about the pipeline now is area if it's known and ever now a old pipeline a do more than 60 years. So what we realized is the pumping is just about 70% of the water that is being pumped from Pong we've done a lot of work to identify what the challenges are, and we realized that there's a lot of perforations on the line. If you move the year move around that area, no more they perforated the pipeline and this water gardens. If you move more a pipeline na rusty and a pie and a egu. But because now we my bread and then it was difficult to identify. But we were able to identify all those areas. We are marketing about 2-3 weeks ago. Managing director a call line so you started work on identify areas leakages no
eno wachi eno wura mate ene Mr. Hetman twetwen komo ana wo kire mu am sesi oha no manya ho awiem entimpanifo akabem gusu a wono mugusu a montoto ne makama na wono mahwese oha we na aba no wo betumi aso ano ohara no o kire mu a sesi yakasai yamfa nto adehya mo abuatire kodua nanim wono mugusu badwumaden gidigidi oha na aba na no wadene wo hwe pipelines ne se de tie ne se emfinhia be de wo ho a ebia due na ajeso mo se sane nyina kama wie ansa na motuma nyin supatumi anom to mbesere omugusu ya dwumaden oharo so pan tentem so pam nengo pada mo hye mo bo ene abosumi mienu kwa abosumi miensentem de no ma wie kama se be ya mo mpote won so betuma nyin supa no mo kire ma sese yi de omuga se betuma mo nsuo ne manim nya de mo boa bado mugusu ya dwumaden kama be bo enche bia nsuo no mo nsaba ka kire se de asie no nya o mania omudi ho fonte o mo sere mo adam mfa nche waro mo pam na ebi nsi omugusu abo dwumaden ahwe na enche bia no nsuo hu sensem no mo sa tuma kamera mo so manyin supa ede mudwuma mude e wo bochire ni potem
your managing director na management am ho kwan say yentini and moldy pipelines yan fan cost the weaker portions no our pipeline so nyina into that work is being done. I'm sure say a lot of people saw it in the media. That work is being done and the fabrication of the pipelines now we take them to site and then have them replaced, the weaker portions to replace. Maintaining and safeguarded integrity of the transmission line from Bond to Tema. So a lot of work is being done. It is not like we don't care. It's not say no, that is not it at all. We are doing a lot of work. One, in the interim, to ensure say they get water maybe once or twice in a week. And then the medium-term solution is also to replace the weaker portions of the transmission line. So the more water can come through that line into Omo area. Into Munya, you should say a lot of work is being done. It will take a bit of time, maybe 2-3 months. But after 2-3 months, when we are done with all that now, then we will be able to pay a fine. Because there are a lot of operations on the line. In one day and 2 days and but we are hoping say we'll be able to finish when we get on site with all the pipelines now fabricated. Now within a very short time we work assiduously to ensure say we also apologize for the inconvenience caused. But the thing is if we don't repair the pipelines now, then they still won't get the water. We'll pump the water but the water will go waste.
And the best on your helper. Na ne kwakura mu no wura mate Stanley kire mu am wo hwa eye waterbill ho nsensama ekose bi mu kirem sei wan mu enya nsuo na nso bosum bia do na waterbill na ba eka ba no esene kurei eno so wo sensam na te sen ene wo kirem so sese no wo hwa Ghana water mu meters ne hye ya mo ne mo customers na kwana we no enya prepaid a se eba wo kotogusu ansa na mu no we no bosum bia do asa de tie be se bill no epam ene ye ba na se nsuo no kakra ebia mefa ne se bia na mienu na miensa na watwe nsuo na ba eno wo kape na betua de aka ne nkyerese sebe wamfa nsuo bia ne dwuma nte betua ka o kirem am edum pempen so bi obetumi aka so ne de nsuo ne bia makra o kirem wanye nsuo kapre mpo amfa ne dwuma bosum ne nyina mu a de be ya ne se bia wo de no sabre ne ba ebe ye zero kyese wunya ka bia ne watua na se koba ne se bia ka ba so omra wanye nsuo de abomade kopie mum wanu mensene no akache mechira district office na kwado waye de fa kire mpere fo mbade aso wasene no mabo ase be yesa oha no wo mepe ho pomesi be no so kire musei e to GR nsantwere for enim.
So around ma a quick one before we go no more customers are we be chilling in party more. Do they still receive bills from you? How many water bills from you?
Yes, we have a special contract with them. We are supposed to give them a certain service and then we bill them for it. Now the service so when you service within 1 billion cycle, you still will have to receive the bill. You receive the bill now, indicating if you have arrears on the bill now, it will be indicated. And then if you don't have arrears, and so cry within the month as well, it will indicate that consumption is zero. So that's it. But they have to receive the bill and to know say they still are customers and we are doing everything possible to give them the services. But we won't bill you for any water that you haven't consumed. Since we don't buy a sometimes no amount for food say many so within a certain period, and either 1 week, 2 weeks, so they shouldn't get a bill. No, DLFM. It's a billing cycle of 30 days. Within that 30 days now, in Subia after Mubiano, your meter will record it. Or meter no record, they are not below. So meter no record is zero, will bill you, but it will be zero. So meter no record 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cubic meters now. Will bill you for 1 or 2 or 3 cubic meters. but your bill will have to come every month. You could pay the contractor. Say ABR within the billing cycle. Now so na bill number na indicated say current consumption a certain figure now. You can go to a district office and then express your displeasure. Now if you lodge your complaint now, we'll do the first investigations and then rectify it. But there's nowhere your meter will record any figure so infirm.
Aha. And here uti no. And our public relations officer no Korean so na ye communication manager at the Ghana Water Company Limited. The day at the Mr. Stanley. Mr. Stanley Mate and our watini ni na mani boy and some training. Emmanuel Poku address the do about man said DJ active. And a dear man boy ebesum yen. Tisika dia ya no integrate the china demonstration ebe koso. Bekoso. Bekoso. Nti dia ya no. Dia ya no. Ya na yeso omoye because said dia ya.
Bia na ma edu ne dia.
Ano ten. Bre no so kọ ohu. Gbeti den sem no doso. Nti amamre ni nyina ayeden. Akọ na so be nden. Ehu hia. We na ye ade ehu hia pa. Bismarck so anya banti ye kase beku bia ka ho a be ha dwen. Nti wo de reserve de na wate. Na mre sim ombeti nkana asante Emmanuel de abano so o mayadwo. Na wo hwe life edi for Accra Medical Center. Na wo chimse nchakase ye nkoma Madam Gloria or Accra Medical Center na fin so Emmanuel Usunsu Accra Medical Center pia for you. Sammy B medase na delicate de abano so hwe life edi for Kofodu Nkura kan wo chirema isi region no wo hwe edi fi no mayadwo me so medase me wo fa se delicate na wo chada hwe de abano wo se o mayadwo Nyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B ene Adjoa Agyei Sikapa no wo chirema kasebo ne mo de pasa no manama na enam DJ Ghanaman fire ne so gbetre station wo biema obia ete yanka ena anadwem ochemse oda yase na adwumaden so kwa yebo esoma magano ochemse kasebo de na popa ma de kasen na de ka ho ede aba na Kofi Parliament de aba na so proud of Ghanaian government se wabombaden akofa Ghana for the free South Africa bo manyim Ghana man pini na dia news so in fact ye bo adwumaden esom oman Ghana hwe live edi free eye aguna bobikuma apa no hwe yen edi efrim na osomafo akwame wusu se wamayadwo dia news in part opese bo modian no ye correspondent e wa hefa bibia ofri no opese bo modian ye correspondent dia na aya test na manabra ne bibia ofri na yehu so betumi ne krensem aba na yehu de beye na Richard Ahwebio de aba na wose echina sensuo to se wiabo demonstration be cost ntimonya krado 9 pepe no pa no nkro na ahase enya sibukuma kra ogbetire station be ye fire pam na dole ya jewaje de aba no so manyadwo Sammy bi ohwe life e the free Christian village achimwata na dole ya kra de aba no wase we nyina ekasen no water how will you even live asemo obezi na watena se womra nsuo ni ho emu yadodom na dole ya jewa kra de aba no de ya kase no mu de pa in fact obi aboada eno an yetie na Richard Ahwed de aba no wase fantastic news by our standard DJ Ghanaman ye say so mate me offer se mate bebe ya dure no besimaka ba waba work up on so ye nim se Ghana for mo betumi afri group stage ni mo afidi a because me dey say me hun ne dey me nim so akura last stop place am dey ko dey is here particular psychological problem is here court nsense mo so akoforo abdofo no ho meje se hun sem nyasem wa sikawate so mo se pete akoforo abdofo no ma no ho meje se hun sem abba no hwe ese bis ma kono to onim wozi onim
wayi nani sa
wayi nani sa se penny bone wayi from abadwam se ehun se no mo mtakra se no
Belinda picture eti na wayi nani sa
we nyina
obi a wo be ye
isi
na bis ma ko yesa
wo se me na menye se wa hu
we me be wo was ye
Lord Jesus Christ
na we ya ma me ti min ka se me ma wo no status now na wo share status
already status. Yes, we have Belinda picture.
No, I don't know.
Are you ready? Belinda picture that so kakre.
Ye ni panye. Hey.
No, invading me privacy.
Invade one privacy. Ye na ten we be phone so we bia no privacy e bude den. No be say we have partner
a cell phone.
I didn't know one fancy ekukuem no one hwe. First what tell them na hwe. We bia no we bia was den. Aya twoko na hwe. What you say? Me what for send them ma kire ne say we bo want tell. Boni a wudie nyina no. Aha, ne ade a. Hwe, yesi bedu ho agro. Ye nye ja o. Hwe. Ban buena mo ye ni suma se nyina wa kan nyina kire. Ya mo fa se na o gini.
Kuna mo sha se mu
ya
kwa wi.
Kotoko mo se akwaya den.
Ko bola ye nya ya ni hwabi. Se ko tinye ni mu ko ti aye ni mu hwa. Na am santa ya man bola ate ko tia cha be ko. What you can see do go fa no mi ansa. What you can crash prayer ba ku ko. Afa ko over. Bodi na ye wo so na no hwewu. E hwewu. E ti sabot no. E bi ni sabu to mbo kotoko. E bi kotoko na 20 kura no. Am santa oni sevu. Masama mo ano. Anya di atabo. Ye nya wo mo. Akumo. Ye na kumo ya ba yo mo no mo ye tu me ka. You beat them. Yes.
Pressure upon pressure. Mizaka Sante. Mizaka Badai. Mizaka Sante. Asante. Mizaka Sante. Watch your man. Mizaka Sante. Hey, Borike.
DL Power Sports on DLFM 106.9.
Wafa se basement man bizi atena se men kwa ne chairman akwaba na nsema do edi ahim awa propama so no o my Ghana abibire man mu ha sei NFM no ne de no o fa ni nyina mesemo Champions League final no ebe toja ene so mu nsensem nyina kita no World Cup no so se na ekọ Ghana fo ya krado batumi akosi aka ni bi nyina Bismarck de mu nsem be so ni Bismarck
Ofa shaba
okọ de
nyame adom bibia
wafa se na ma spirit akwa down pa
o David
o ya sure
mi on so borobo
eh sir
meeting
Belinda picture na chire nyina
so Belinda picture me hwa bibi boni bi anim
o se de wa fitiri wani ahwe picture na I say
me hwe status WhatsApp status
sir
ana no de be to
ene say ya no kwese na Belinda start na wewe
say no boni bi anim
waya kama on
wa Belinda
waya kama
ne picture na
so be fitiri wani ahwe obi pictures din sa na
e hwe me phone so de
Ozumi
ei sa opesa wewe sisi ya no enama ba ho
Belinda
so we see wewe
na Belinda me de bia me hu no fia
enti na enya no na ya nam he ya wasan ko gina eyi starter
ya bi me hwe na se me mie asokura na ko
chenchem bia de wawu ana
dabi
chenchem bia ni wawu hu nkwedim
o wa he
me bisa wasam keke Yibi ofasi
nkwedim wa bia
na mo se ya unu aso oda hoto na unu asem no oda hot buta mama mpa bo munya de na sade
o bibiansi bibia nu ebesi kai
zege se mama mpa bo munya wose dai arufu bia pai na aye kwa
bibia nu ebesi
mo ofasi mama mpa bo munya den
bibiansi
aje mo de mo kwahye Roma father botum ente sa asem na eba na no de mami nya obere ko on na kaja gum na som Ghana vo
right abusia nyume me mo adwomo akwa ba kwan so koso kramra DL 106.9 mega suamira so agudie mu nsem ya de be so mu dwumadi kase suwe no eya de kan se nwme no nsia kase asujua wate nyina ofa Nyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi kase nei wani Adjoa Agyei Sikapa baba so no enso asinkonya de kan se po no me patwa nwme no nsia kase na enso so mo babi bia wonsu timi etie dwumadi no emra so besima kadu se man bi se misuma som agudie mu nsem papa me de be so mo na enso so atimi ato dwumadi so Michael so coacha ana so ye producer on ditwa nwme no watimi akuche nsem ni nyina nso agu nkata so se besima kadu se me mesanim na hu de kompokra ne de ba ewa aguka nsem na asida piese no enso ekoma Lumba supermarket abrono brain bi trans ya Lumba super ana timi kwa mo afa dwumade nyina hoka anyuma masa dwumade ni bi ma nei wo mo simi musa dwumade be na wudi ana sempo no yemfiwa enso ba ikra ana wono menso a anyuma me kan foma Lumba super pebi na ese fadu dwuma na ese nimonyam hye enso ntimi ma dwumade bia wudi o ma dam ya sinkonya agudie mu nsem ya de sum na bibi bia enso timi akonka ya shase a enei wo ba dwane show no live on Facebook capital D capital 106.9 images audio videos audio empokra any reactions audio on so ewo dwumade enu we no eye champion Kofite Iron Boy Massa USA Canada ene nkoma ye tewo ade kan shen internet interfere ne so ye ntimi fama ahaye kwa Kofite na so ade sa osumo nyina no enso asumo very social media platforms audio so ema wonsan so to dwumade so ya shase fifie me no ka say dia FIFA World Cup 2026 Ghana ye kobi nani ma branch friend se Benjamin Asano no ensu si academy house of folk team no me no ka said oni team no ensu e wo Cardivois manim UK ana so mo so etimi prepare ahead of big game nyame adoma second junior tojwa Ghana against Wales we no ana abrante amedu no koma nyumre eye Benjamin Asare wedding koma was here na wo the Mexico team no ana sempo Mexico game wo mo kobo and sempo no ye kan se entwodie no eba no we eye another tactica me patro Blasters team no enso prepare akowura de kan sempo no me patro work up into Benjamin Asare was a camp enso so eye hot bibi bia enso dam boys no bia enso nim the reason why nay one so e work camp Benjamin Asare nkoma odi eni.
Once I free Mexico, I team about UK. Preparation start from now because as a person and as a player, I say ultimate mentality and ultimate mindset. I would want to say because only the entire Uba say as a player, be our say and say man one set and will be there. Because if you never as a coach in my structure, be not the other team take. It's never on so when we say we team here, Juman.
Wey Benjamin Asare nkoma say odi ahead of big game and nyame aduma 2nd June and nso etojo Cardiff Ghana against us yade nkoma no dodo na so so na yetoa so enti Benji say nkoma ban and say message by kra and wodi ja Ghana for Benjamin Asare message wodi ja Ghana for nyina ni
dey make check Ghana for ni said say we say no mudi GD any ba ku ye ne odo tai ye di nya qualify no sa no mfa GD dey tai ti say dey be ya nyame adum na do work up na bia betimi akon kan because matches be bring na be ba nyame ya adum say na be a good age na betimi adum na say betimi qualify say na be Ghana be na ko ani
DL Power Sports emu ade ejawo dead
Benjamin Asare Ghana national team number 1 goalkeeper has a 4 goalkeeper and all this ankomo enso sum ya dinyina no enso sum dwumade ensira bibia enso atimi akonkana Antoine Salam Semenyo enso Ghana nidi sham nu kase no wasi aka enso de Man City team no ne mame ababa e friend say W enso atimi adi nkoma toto na ya na wasi the very first time Antoine Salam Semenyo enso agitumu say na on represent my friend say England emom wabebo ama Ghana no wasi na say feeling a great na message and I say come to na ana ekomu enso de ma Antoine Salam Semenyo and I'm subi na enso anu su timi aya convince wagi tum se pono betimi asiakan enso de ma Michael Ghana na Salam and I say ne ma me ni busa ne se nei edi anti kra na nei wo pese me kobo Black Stars of Ghana ne mom o ma me nkosi aka ma the 3 Lions of England na oni ma me simasa e hona aya dem pass nei wo betimi ayisa asem na ne ba Antoine Salam Semenyo su busa ne se Ghana bibi bia nso nya adwuma masa bibia se bibia mu ana party se gbechelefo no dimension ma enkomado do na wase na waka kira ne bansa Blasters jesi no wo sha eye pride feeling no eye exceptional Ghana for ade kan se support moral just inferior is omo de tawachi no ano de no bi ana se nam so bi ana so timi aka kira ne bana so etimi nya pepa agitum se nei wo be si aka ma Blasters of Ghana Antoine Salam Semenyo ne ma me nkomoni.
I remember very well when Anton asked us the question. He says, Mom, do I play for England or do I play for Ghana? And I said, in heartbeat, you have to play for Ghana. And he goes, but why? Then I didn't have any words and I went, God, in Ghana, nothing worked. And then he was like, if nothing works, why do I have to play for Ghana? And I go, you would feel proud to be part of the Ghanaian journey. Ghana, football in the UK for me is about the boots. But football in Ghana is about blood. It's about pride. It's about legacy. It's about your roots. It's about, I can't describe it. But somehow he agreed for us to do this. And when he did, so as a parent, what you feel, you can't put it in words, but what you feel when he wears his jersey for the first time and the crowds are roaring, it's, you cannot describe it in words, but I can tell you, it's amazing.
Antoine Salam Semenyo ne ma me nkoma ode atudwa ya di nyina no enso asum na oto aso di nkoma se nei yenua no ma dodo na makopie menso obi ma so amana ne ana se mudi mo nkwe no nei wo wa se otimi ma wani ko ba no pa nei ne ba Antoine Salam Semenyo nyame adom watimi arise to the top enti dodo na ni tempo no eni pa dodo na nim se ade na da fo mo se masa bra wa bre masa se ne ube resist abi di Antoine Salam Semenyo se na form ni nyinam no otimi encourage na sempo no wo sha foforo nkran se nei wo ban su dwuma die bia wudi no ese utimi nya akoma pa ne opepa enso edit Antoine Salam Semenyo ne ma me nkoma wadi jani.
I tell you what, words because it's been a very, very long journey, but it's been amazing as well. And I'm here today to tell you parents it's possible. If Anton's done it, we the parents, it's a good thing we are talking about this now because I don't just stand here as a mother of Manchester City player or Black Star player. I've walked the journey. The emotional journey is difficult. You don't stop. It's being resilient and knowing that being in the diaspora and knowing what happens on the streets around us. Trust me, it's hard. If anybody says it's been easy, I say, listen, eat your words. It's not easy, but it is possible.
Antoine Salom, Samana Ghana need this Yamnuka Sosiakai, Edema Manchester City team no, and now one also didn't come in Asumia no, and Suasumana 9 cent him Sene, Bia platforms out drop a cosu Bianidia. Now, Derek Atakon, a brand teweya, and it was Academy Union Berliner, me patro Carlos Queiroz, Ghana Blasters coach, no, and sweat me a dropping ahead of World Cup a yakono, and come out to do another bar, no offer. And sweat me adding come out to Danaba Montin. Watch him. Was your brand tewe one baby or hamburger what to feel cry? One coming shame what to feel what you know. And I said, when you call GFM penny for and sweat me friends at Massa Bre, just a Shianese, never seen a young flight ticket now. Nene young cock Ghana, sense a World Cup no Ghana and swing ya and Hubenya, Sir Obaba, so my Ghana, a brand tewe address was just a one what me address here from the back. I'm an Indian so I could drop in on airport and then ya join GFM penny for the family, ya frown. Fanese, a brand line up and a simple. I dear can say call up ne buyer. Derek Athako ni DM. There's a acquire some to an simple. And Jawazio Kromo party a yente no for an inchimwa. One also add my osa and she him.
Onya call says Osako Berlin no Kobuano Ghana versus West friendly match boy. The Basano nam say call unja free no say Alex Asante and our friend say Omebuano now the ticket send na manaba e show more landing no Kobo friendly match no. Nam say okay tenye e asempa. Ni penny Michelle and the driver no e de call Berlin man Kobuano ho say be ya obetimi akosi akan ama oman Ghana mu. Now do Berlin obuano ho wie no ticket beba. Nti ohwa abroche for call so de omuntwa ntompo. Anybody no on count no na ya odie kakra de aba
DL Power Sports emu ade ejawo dead
Wey Derek Atakona Brantian Nance obesi kind of Ghana qualifies him and asempo friendly games I boy any Germany a brand to bob papa him say sa yani German game am share 2-1 no Obama wabaya sa assist ma fata isha ku abo sabo no enso atu atrem eba ne se ne je ko World Cup be hia brand to service motimi ayen April Fool mo de crocry ade kan se man crocro the John mo de 6 other than 9 mama na ko gina airport ticket beba obeba Ghana akwase bi o man na Chese mo insulia no ana se no wafanso de san komo no etudwa no to aso di komo se nei abrante ne kwampo no be kai World Cup qualifies game against Mali and Chad no pani offense auto me no ka say we former head coach Adema the senior soccer team the Blasters of Ghana and so to nsa ade fra brante man ba kam na nani nyina ne se ne nationality switch no na se enwe paint na ontimi ensia kan and so ma man konkro Ghana ntanya na kura ana Derek Atakon na panifon to and so timi sporting ne se ne woni boni bonte Ghana ye behia no eba ne se ne ye kwa World Cup monfre no Atakon ni wafa enkomodie ni
because Ghana ne Mali any Chad ye bo World Cup qualify no na meni akole ye free Germany ne wo Elisa Hotel enim se obebo qualifiers ne bi to wana otuado ka chem say Eric Sakura no you use ne sisi na enye possible because of FIFA approval ne den embaye so ko use na say Kotija o meti 3 points aden from nsem enya akora na kasa ma net ase se we de enya hwe de we enim na eden edoso o boy we okoye mo mo hwe na nwe friendly match against Ghana and Germany boy ya enya one goal no akole enya cross boy ema fata isha nti wo hwe kakwa no vim anka wo de baba boa ama ye team no akse na Morocco for so ye no Ghana ye so ekọ yakwa bi no ankosisa ye hwe list e ba ya wo ye sure say coach aya friend no or professional coach on aya list we
DL Power Sports emu ade
enti Derek Athako ni enkele friends Eric de oso no wanjin tum se sa ade akanza 28 man squad ama Montia ene just obiadi nkomo no eya opani friends Carlos Queiroz Black Stars head coach no ana wode sa ade akanza squad way enso ba Montia de nkomo no dodo na enso so Montisno te fisa mu nkomo no ya de beso na fly number D1069 e dia konkufunkruzo
Lumba in super natural mineral water. Get a grip with that super break. Lumba in Super Natural Mineral Water. Get a grip with that super break. Lumba in Super Natural Mineral Water. Get a grip with that super break.
Right, Abushua Sinkonya so kan ketasi Lumba Super Numei, and so American former said Jumedia Biaudi, whether small way and few Yabu Bobby, Nelsa Bibi Biadame, Lumba Supama Dama, fly number DR106 and Kofon Crosso, a man an income late as exclusive Yano, Jadigua Numena Sanso, Atimato Jumedia, ya shall see ya, now Kopoya Dwadotina, Reno Aya, Adia Kan said women's under 17 FIFA World Cup qualifiers, Unim says second like Nitoja, not big game Nitoja, and sure. Leon when I Sierra Mano under 17 team na so trafie atomo nsada fra Benin sanso na 30th no e dey kan say Saturday Kenya e trafie to nsa from my friend say Uganda na Burundi so trafie na wato nsa fra Ethiopia Liberia trafie from my Koko Ghana and Africa Cameroon no e be trafie no wato nsa ensada from my friend say Senegal na 31st no and no enso e dey kan say Sante me patro DR Congo trafie no my friend say Zambia bo sanso and South Africans who trafie no my friends say Tanzania na friend Nigeria so no any of my friends say Guinea and the bearing down city we so return leg ade can say no me part of FIFA under 17 women's no and so qualifiers didn't come no dodo na so sumu juma de sra bibi bia and so timi akon report and you me gada and so free us na kache and say brand friends say Morgan Rogers me no ka so si akan and so dem Asivila team no wa penia friends Andra Beta one no and so sporting director and so dem club friends Arsenal what penny when sweat me din komo and so quite brutal report amete and say Arsenal for one sweat on price about man to see we no £100 million Arsenal for say ne yen come bianti as here say brand £100 million and massa ye no say na me ne boatene and no so yen come come in second jadi nya so ma asu say ne Arsenal beto aso no mo sweat me negotiate sa de no and no come ye gusu adi akire de beto dwa bia de be so mo e wo dwuma de sra bibi bia and sweat me opani friends Nuno Esperanto Santo when him say no kase West Ham United head coach na me no kase die wopani we West Ham akọ allegation reporter megada and so pani waso ni ba bia akọ won twanachi enso informa club ya friends say West Ham United what no na say wato aso adijuma enso na ma West Ham United no so enkomo a men say kan mi ade nyina no enso aso mujuma de sira bibi bia enso atimi akọ na noni madueke enso say kan ma Arsenal team no wakodi nkomo yebusa say noni say yemusa we imagine say Arsenal one bet me anya good season say EPL match afa company kan say pono Champions League madu final Saturday money Paris Saint-Germain ususu da say club friends Arsenal and so bet me anya good season was massa eti kofi buana fe yempie images no wasi yen kama bianti ase se ono wanu wagitum anase po won ya se Arsenal team na me pa to pani friends Mikel Arteta enso ya Chanel zene wam so betimi anya good season am so bi ana Arsenal ba wan twentwa so kra nei wanu so timi join club ya friends Arsenal nyime no ya den koma dodo na so somo e wo dwuma de sura bibi bia enso etimi akoka reporter megada and he say brand friends Anthony Gordon where your Barca player a real ya and as a private jet you didn't call idea can say Catalonia Barca Nantia meetings are brand friends Julian Alvarez when you see a can them idea can say Atletico Madrid no Barca say after saying woman we idea can say Anthony Gordon no say omu idea can say attention in no and so call Julian Alvarez when Timasa this is an answer for next season dear Barca team no that just a team almost said they are no bad brutal when almost say a European target and the Champions League very last time a Barca GB way back 2025 mas almost GB at brutal and then ubenya say so mutimi for big fish and answer for players akuku dem out na some team buana Barca team no and so team they can say Champions League to report amete and you may say Barca and so team starting negotiation brantia your friend say Julian Alvarez and also and kuma kefi obedin no and so na report amete and it say Barca Eddie can and so be the €100 million and the Atletico for so ka say 150 Barca for so bet $100 million and also kuma kefi obedin no and so mujuma de sira bibi bia and so timi akon command and Dawson nemom emeniko ya so sunu we last story World Cup me patro England and so ko be report amete and he says I'm say England national team babia wamu kobo mu twa no we no USA ade kan say anti-drone technology ana ebe monitor mo nti England for the security attack the power enya asem keto on this note yemfa manane nkoma ni nyina emfa nso ana afi no agudie mu nsɛm nyina no yemfa nso a yɛnda Lumba nso paase sɛ no nso etimi kwa mu afa dwumadie nyina wo ka ema yesi nkonya ejemre ede agudie mu nsɛm ede ebrewa samje bakwa nwumei manya ne ntie sɛ utie wo ne wura Mr. Samoahene afo anwume nso ya hyase banku ne tilapia no ekoso kyese hyehyehye pa unse weda no nso ano onwunu ti unya banku ne tilapia banku no hot tilapia nso ye free jaso ana ese ye package da e de amount anwume nso ya ji orders nti samje bakwi bibibia nso da Mr. Rita Otama committee 2 wono nso emonita dwumadie no ana bema ya enra ya oda kese minim se ukun na ntwi se ukun dwan o se mete onka mente onka bema nwemi ancha barika di sala pa
oyedeni
bema ya I think fantini bet
no nya ne tribe asem o som asoro be no ko
o muslim ni
o ma wona mo we
o ma me na
masa mo ne din fia bio mo ne din bio listen me say mo ne din bio
bema o mi jinidi
say ayi me di Jamila ene fona na me do mato blacklist mo bia mo mu din wo fia on tese be nyenam Bema ya na money din fia me bana bondi me yina frim
me ji bema ya
listen to me
minim do betimi ayi
se won san kan nam na uboni din pe me yi wa frim
ana make say
because entumi mfa badwafo anim enya fom fia
ya ma bema ya America krebi
ya ntehwe a obana bondi me yina frim ka kire ni prince me boni din me yi no
me se ba o kine beti bema ya
because ye ne nkramofo mu ne yedi nyonyono no yeso no mbedi pa ye mfa nche obi a o
we de mu ngamu
me na me ka kire o Master Ishmael Bubaka ono so me de naka ho yes ede abone ede ne ede ayebo
yes kadan
what's the day? Coffee, share, faith, when somebody will be to so fat. Check my order, check man, I'm in Trawadi. And yes, a cadine, a cat, most of them, someone says, I say, be how much about it, alas, I won't be yes, sir. And I'm say, oh, my so high, so answer yes, is in yes, I don't want to do so. I don't fall down for mine. I say, come the chef from America Crank. Oh, me come catcher. Is this our way? Don't do an Amukona chef. So many children, Omundi so. Shall we both say the way to home as a bit to home with a Muslim for Penifona Becas at that top on and one. This year now, who call reference Fatu so. Shall I down and say, I'm today? Fatu. Then you know now. Sure. Can one was a day. Keeping all the salamit without sharing defeats the purpose of each other. Why I can't ask them? Where I mean, Muta, Islamic scholar. I feel what you say. No, mu kum na ntwinam e wo mra mudi afahye na yenya bia nwe na mo de ahya fridge we nkakra nkrasa no etia muslim som no ntia boa mo muslim som na adimu
na wanya ntia se o mo kum bi ebu anso
o man kum bi kura mo nya bewe
di den ko mo nya we no
de mo nya se mutume che yes for na not to blacklist Jamila the blacklist sa woni pa se fa say bema ya not to blacklist
da bi sa de ne enwie
Master Ishmael Abubakar or the blacklist
because no say
on trese na nadwa maybe say na nadwa on kapo no say nam no ne nsa nka mi nkuto de or the blacklist on trese benya bi no boa
no say mi nsa fe na ntwie kura mpo fe na bi mo de omode ye ba fi
openi agrobe so efura no pa
ye beti o
agro yiwani agrobe so sa na de last 2 years esi year last year esi afin so asi
me bema ya de mi gini di bema ya de eno a ka say metene nka
me da me ka kire say wante ho hwe a wo bana bodi me yiwa firi
metin so a wo betime nka
better but what na de show ho na yante ho hwe nso a still be yiwa firi yes
ana be ma munya du
say ko fitia na test na officer wo fia
because ko ban se me kwa me dia dia
say o de manwa me munya du na ye hu say o de aba say ntesa na kwahye kukuo mu ade abana bodi ayu say see ano DJ Hitman na da no unso ta hye nkra na nkra mu che no be ma 10 gram ntesa afasha mu di ka pege se we hu no hwe be pem samra ye kase na sane ye no
yenu mama nya
zigibi da fia no mo hype mo kama andra bia phone lines bia boga no obofo market no mo hype mo miss me belantwi manager say wada na obetana be hype mo kama mo wie makodi di peche e kire din
miss me kura de o de nkire kire bebre bai Dr. Sidi
mo nyina chi no mo antimi appreciate hwe na big city no wan
ende mini me chi akwa mini me chi
big city wan
that's no ye muslim
wala ka say big city nye muslim yeah
minim da yes degbo no dey no want now dey no dey on blacklist
if you dey pay you am na bonsin ni be ye wodan ono kura ne wa kura ye hu no
ono dey ne twin
we say but the blacklist say o say yensa be ka no microphone ye yefuru na no
be say da kadan
hwe ye say be di mu agro so ba for market nya so manya bi o o munya mu so manya bi
obedi mu
obi anya bi fia market onya nam kofi onya bi is Muslim scholar say edu afasha na mo cheche nam na se ba se ye nya bi anwe na mo de chef fridge me ne kakra nkra etia mo som ne hyehye nti ye pese ye boa mo na mo som ne di mu nti henceforth se mukum nam mo won se message na obi a me na bonti wi ama ye mama ya be kasa ye fa nchemu we me so musa na crusade na masha say demonstration na masha say no me bo mo che kopum na si yanso
operation no meeting
sala nam edu sala ye nya aduane wo fie o mo de na ye je e mo ba banku ba bibia ba
wona ukwaje na o mo de
o man kasa de brew wo kwaje aye de wona de ba
na akra
be pia
sauce enka ne no
e bi akra krompo akra na obi a ji so ko ni fie
musrami so na asesa kola no matu bi afrim enka ne asem sen o de so ko
o fa na nim say Saturday Champions League final
be ba so say na we go mo di ni kra ye den kra hayaki profusion restaurant e wona edi dinom e kama no sell drinks no na matesa o mo say obi a wo fie kura na wo yere wona na tefie na e bia wo fi so oba no wa bre mane nwena home na wankasa o de aduane papa bi mane ni obetumi akono ma ye aduane ma o de abehye fridge na no oba na mo frɛ na di nye de be na ma oba na akɔ eja ho saa o
bi
aye nye sabi me ma na du pempes mo ma ne feeling fam
baby girl treatment
fa ne kɔ ho ma ne feeling fam
na de bia na kitchen o free kitchen ani na dem na
mama bi tu kwan na dwo 1 am na ma ne wo vuvo mo mudi e de ade a e wo mra wo kɔ hayaki heyi abedi dia fi level wo de oda kekempo wo se twintwantwa wo nye
na me kodi jollof pa na masa ai hayaki
beden pese me ha oba ntina me nwale ye no me pe hu sika agu me ware wa wo ye aduane 1 week na aka no ye be fro na hayaki fo ndi aduane na bre yes me pese wo bre na ye no me na wo hyehye se mpompo ma me ntina matom bo ase me pese me pre ma hu ze ma na wa hwe ni obetumi obedi for me so ni me se ma ba bi ho de no okope obenya the best e woni mu nyina be se o ma no ekomde na o ye obetwintwam sisi a be ha dwen nti me pese me fo obi ba ma na komade no nti no me tom bo ase
hwe hu ye
nti me ntese wo what you say
na me fo obi a
okay fine
ana masa ana wo mo mi obi ana minim
sarako ta ba sa fi ba mre de didi agro sarako asem ye ni wo wo de me free afi ba
Edi Saturday ye beko the live commentary ba be sumo bi
ba ko fi ya fi ba de birthday bi a me monitor ye so so na DJ afi ba say we awoda so no kubi na abai obai no ho ofe na Ghana for in fact e ma na bi ti sa ahemfu chine that the Lumba nyom na e bi de bi achi na we awoda kese kwa ma ohima ye big girls ahima big girls na owo Taifa Norway ene ne birthday we beautiful lady na blofo ne say a beautiful lady inside and out is in anim nachi ahumka wom na wano mo kire me say brofo ni o say may your day be filled with laughter love and all the little things that makes you smile wishing you good health and more wealth you deserve the world today and every day Ohima big girls wishing you more blessings and hofe papa bi Ohima big girls happy birthday Ohima big girls from your loved ones and friends inti ni po de ba ni din ni de ekire din tamu chiro so mpewa asem nyame nhira opi nyame nya okese na se de wanim ni wachi ahyehye saa no yakopɔ ma ne pa enso afruma happy birthday once again ho fedua Ohima big girls wo Taifa no nyame nhira opi no awoda no onye ne soronko international DJ afiba ene pia so de eba ye kasebo ne de asemu semufo ne ya miss mebelantwi na se mo champion tailor de ekopie mo Facebook na fi yitima kasebo no wonya bi ahwe ye sanso na me wo fa se DJs gibi echinchim kesefro fo ma de somye numera kenkafo ye 2 edi ameje so ya wofa o se ade o de one at Nyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi ma hotedin ane pantry bonana otafri jamene
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa
yes so the international DJ Fiba betena se anwum no wahehye ne sa power no back to back kasanim ekire din free Sammy kopim se no ndo be bode ono ma na ekro imamu nyina monitor ade hye ne ngwa tirefo ne kirem se Ghana water madu omhwe mo de kyena matete won pa omokwa akoyo ye kire din we tirefo mo nwum nie